Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subby, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be just showing you all how I got this amazing glam look using all drugstore products. So if you're interested in seeing just how I made that happen, stay tuned. First, I'm going to begin to prime my entire face with my LA Pro primer, but you could also use Milani primer. They both work really well. Then I'm going to use my Vaseline lip moisturizer. I'm going to begin on my eyebrows. I'm going to brush my eyebrows up with my e.l.f. spoolie. Then I'm going to begin to outline underneath my eyebrows and on top of my eyebrows. What you all see me doing now is just shading in my eyebrows. I like to shade at the very end, working my way towards the front of my brows. So if you all pay close attention, you'll see that I made my line underneath my eyebrow longer than what I did on top. The line on top, I start at the middle of my brows. So then after I'm done blending, I go back to finish, and then I'm going to pull the product from the middle with my spoolie towards the front of my eyebrows to give myself that beautiful, nice ombre effect. Now I'm going to begin to clean my eyebrows up with my Maybelline Camouflage Concealer in the color Medium Deep. The brush that I'm using is also a concealer brush by e.l.f. Hey guys, so do remember that you can play around with shaping your eyebrows with how you arch them with the concealer underneath your brows. And for the top of the brow, all you're going to do is just follow that line that you already have there naturally. You're not even shaping anything. The only thing you're doing is just cleaning up your brow so they look perfect. I'm just going to go over my eyebrows one more time so that I can just make sure that they're shaped the way I want them to be shaped and they look as clean as I want them to look. Now I'm going to use my NYX cream color corrector to put on all the dark areas on my face. What that does is it helps give you really nice coverage once you put your foundation on, so that if you do have any scars or anything like that, you won't be able to see through your foundation because you have color corrected. What I'm doing now is just adding a little bit of my vitamin E face moisturizer because my skin gets a little drier in the wintertime, and it also helps smoothen out the color corrector. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Classic Tan as a base for my eyeshadow. Brush that I'm using is also a Real Techniques foundation brush. Now I'm going to add some concealer underneath my eye before I put my foundation on, just to give me a very bright under eye. Oh, and let me not forget about my little friend. Next, I'll be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte as my first transition color. I'm going to use my brown from my Maybelline Master Contour Kit as my second transition color. Now I'm going to take this clean Real Techniques blending brush to blend my two transition colors. Now I'm just going to go for creating my entire eye look, and then once I'm done, I'll show you all the palette and colors I used to create this look. I'll be using the lightest orange color from the eyeshadow palette I'll be showing you all. Now I went back to use the darkest orange inside my crease. Now I'm just going to go back in with the shimmery brown I have and follow my crease just to give my eye shape a little more definition. Now I'm just going to go back into my palette and use the lightest shimmer color I have and pop that right on top of my lid. This is the Milani palette I use for my eye look. Now I'm going to use this NYX glitter glue to prime my eyelids for some glitter. I'm just going to start applying my glitter. Once I began adding the glitter, what I noticed that works for me is applying a little glitter at a time. The same thing I did to the first eye, I'm just going to do to this one. So just applying the glitter glue and then starting to apply the glitter. So once I started to put the glitter onto my lids, I noticed that I got a little glitter fall out. So to prevent that and to prevent the glitter from falling in my eyes, I just added a little bit of setting powder onto my lashes. You guys, the glitter is so pretty. Now you're going to see me just wiping away the setting powder from my lashes. This is the NYX glitter I use. I'll put it in the description box below. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and mixing it with my NYX liquid highlighter to give me a nice dewy finish. Guys, let me just take a second to brag on this brush. If I am not using my original beauty blender, I am definitely using this Real Techniques foundation brush. I love this brush to apply my foundation, or like you all seen earlier, to blend my concealer even. Like, this brush is amazing. But let's continue to watch me slay up. And please, let's not forget to blend underneath our necks, just in case your skin tone is not the exact color as your foundation, please, please, please make sure to blend underneath your neck so that everything is all one color, people. Now I'm going to use my Fit Me concealer in the color Classic Tan to conceal underneath my eyes, my nose, a little bit on my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin, and the bottom areas of my cheeks. I'm gonna just blend everything out, but another thing is when you're contouring, you're gonna need a shade lighter than your foundation and then one shade darker. But just continue to watch and I'll show you how I do my contouring. Now I'm going to lightly bake and put setting powder in all the areas where I put concealer. Quick disclaimer, I definitely mixed my setting powder with another setting powder, but I will also be leaving all the products I used down below in the description box, right along with all the dupes. Now while I let that bake, I'm going to use my NYX liner in the color Expresso and my ColourPop liquid lipstick in the color Avenue to do my lips. All I'm doing here is just adding a little Vaseline to my lips to keep them moisturized and prepped for my matte lipstick. I'm just going to apply one small coat of the liquid lipstick and then blend it out with my finger. I'd rather do it this way because I'd rather use very little than too much. This way is less messier and the cleanup is easy. Now I'm going to go back in with my lip liner and then outline my lips one more time and blend that out to give me that perfect red lip ombre. Now I'm going to begin to wipe away some of that excess setting powder. I'm going to use a brown powder to contour the rest of my face where I did not put the concealer. I contoured were around my face, my nose, and underneath my chin and my cheekbones. Hey guys, sorry about my lighting change, but now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. blush palette using the darkest rosy pink for my cheekbones. Hey, you all already seen this palette. I'm going to use that lightest highlighter as my highlighter on my nose. I'm going to put some on my cheekbones and my chin. So an easy way to remember how to apply highlighter to your face is making a C, curving your eyebrow, and then hitting the very top of your cheekbones. Then you also want to add highlighter on your nose, above your cupid's bow, and your chin area. Just one to believe in, you can never use too much highlighter. Now I'm just going to use my Maybelline Butterfly Mascara. I'm going to just use the black end of it, and it is waterproof. Just going to use some of my NYX matte finishing spray just to begin to set my makeup in. I'm going to use my favorite lashes, my Eyelure lashes in the style 126. These are literally my go-to lashes. These are the lashes I will buy back to back to back to back because they look good on me when I wear my makeup, and if I want to just go barefaced but have a nice lash, these are the ones you all want to check out. Just gonna go and tap my bottom lashes with the browns that I use as my transition colors. I'm gonna spray some more setting spray to set my face and wait for it, you guys. Hey now, honey. Yes, honey, you just came through. Just came through like that though. What? Thank you all so much for watching. If you love this look, make sure to leave me comments down below, just telling me what you love about this look. And you all already know the deal. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social medias. And until next time, stay slayed up, stay prayed up, and stay focused. Mwah.